So it's Life Insurance Awareness Month. So here's the truth about whole life. So I'm sure you heard of whole life before. In fact, you also probably heard a lot of horror stories.
It's expensive.
It doesn't even grow. My mom's had some for years, never got any money.
After his term, I paid just as much as the death benefit.
But I want to clear some of that up. But first, let's talk about whole life from a non-biased perspective. This is from NerdWallet. It's a permanent insurance policy where as long as you keep up the premiums, it'll last as long as you live. In fact, a lot of times the way people like to describe it is you're building equity within your policy. Ladies and gentlemen, there are many variations of whole life. You have participating and non-participating, burial, simplified, guaranteed issue. So for example, I had a lady before who said, oh, well, we've been paying into the policy and it never grew. They lied about the dividends and so on and so forth. You know what ended up happening? She had a burial policy. Wasn't supposed to grow. But a burial policy is a whole life type of policy. If you were to pick it up and read it, basically it will say whole life on it. In this case, she was screwed because she was told about benefits that didn't apply to her policy, but her policy worked for what it was supposed to be used for. So the truth of the matter when it comes to whole life is it works when it's used for what it's made for.